Today we're going to prepare fish fingers on the style Alicia likes. We need cod, I need breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, egg, salt, pepper and olive oil. Take out the skin from the fish and then we cut into slices. Take an egg in one plate. That is ready. In another plate I mix the cheese, an equal amount of breadcrumbs, I add a little bit of salt and a black pepper. This compost I mix together. Once I have mixed the egg, I can pick up the fish and let absorb with eggs. In a fry pan I put abundant olive oil. Once the fish have absorbed with the egg, I put in my compost with breadcrumb and cheese. Once the oil starts to be hot, I can drop my fish to fry. Once we see that it is cooked from one side, we turn upside down and cook from the other side. Once the fish is cooked from both sides, I re-put in a plate with the pepper to absorb the excess oil. As you can see, the fish fingers is ready and enjoy your meal.